Hey Guardians, welcome back to this another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. Today we will be covering SUMIF and SUMIFS function. If you analyze the first table very quickly, then you will see that only three names are repeated in the first column, which are Blake, Jack and Joe. Blake's name with his amount is repeated twice in the table. Here is the first value, here is the second value. Jack's name is shown three times. First time here, second time here and the third time here. We are supposed to give the total amount summation here. Most simple way is putting a equal to sign here and adding the terms separately plus this. And similarly for Jack, equal to this plus this plus this. And for Joe, equal to sign this plus this plus this. This will be an impossible procedure if we have 1,000 row data. In order to resolve this issue, Excel provides a SUMIF function. First, delete these three cells, put equal to sign here, write SUMIF, brackets open, and Excel is asking for the range. In our case, it is the names list, which is this column, and pressing F4 key to fix the column. Put comma. Now we have to give the criteria. We are putting the formula to find the total amount for Blake, which was written in this E4 cell, but we are unable to see the cell, so write E4 manually. Put comma. Now we have to give the sum range, which is this column, from where we want the values for Blake to be added. Put F4 key to fix this column also. Close the brackets, press enter. SUMIF function has shown that the total amount for Blake is 35. Blake's name appeared two times in this column. First time here with $25 and the second time here with $10, which means that we have got the correct answer of $35. Dragging this cell will also copy the formula. For Jack, we have got the 59. Jack's first amount was 30, second was 20, so total 50, and the third time 9, so total 59. For Joe, 41, first amount was 14, second amount was 15, so total 29, and the third amount was 12, so total 41. We have applied the SUMIF formula very correctly. In this scenario, we just have one criteria, which is the names list. We only wanted these amounts to be added for these names. If there are multiple criteria, we have to use the SUMIFS function. In this G4 cell, we want to find the summation of Blake's amount in year 2000. Also for this cell, our first criteria range will be this years column and the criteria will be year 2000. And the second criteria range will be this column and the criteria will be Blake. And we want the summation for each of these combinations from this column. Let's use the SUMIFS function. Put equal to sign, write SUMIFS, put left brackets, and the sum range is this column. Press F4 to fix this column, comma, criteria range 1, which is this years column. Press F4 to fix this column, put comma. First criteria is required, which is this E4 cell, and we are unable to see the cell, so manually writing E4, comma. Criteria range 2 is required, which is this names list. Pressing F4 to fix this column, comma. Criteria 2 is required, which is Blake, which was written in this F4 cell. We are unable to see the cell, so manually writing F4, close the brackets, press enter. SUMIFS function is showing that Blake earned amount of $35 in year 2000. Let's check our answer. Blake earned $25 in 2000 here and Blake earned $10 in year 2000 here, so total 35, which is correct. Dragging this cell will also copy the formula. For one last time, let's check our this answer of $23. Joe earned $14 in 2001 here and Joe earned $9 in 2001 here, so 14 plus 9 equal to 23, which is again correct. This is all from this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, we will be covering COUNTIF and COUNTIFs function. Thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.